Hey friends, if you wish to highlight text in PDF documents in the Microsoft Edge browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not difficult. First of all, for the sake of this example, we will save this as a PDF file on the desktop. Okay. And then we will open it with Microsoft Edge. Now here's the difference. When you open a PDF document with Microsoft Edge in comparison to any other page on Edge, the other page will not display any options on the top, but a PDF page will. And one of this option will be to highlight. So you can use this highlighter to highlight text. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.